Pow! Hello, some very different content from me today, but anyone who's followed me for a while will know I am obsessed with steam cleaning clothes before wearing them. I just absolutely think it's a complete game changer and means that you leave feeling crease-free and looking smart. And anyone else who knows me very well and knows my mum will also know that she bloomin' loves like slick and span clothes, which means that if I go to meet her, I absolutely cannot turn up with creased items of clothing. And I have had a relatively starter version of a steam cleaner for a long time, and I thought it was time to upgrade. So when the team actually got in touch with morphyrichards, I nearly died. So I love wearing shirts, and through my maternity, or pregnancy should I say, shirts have literally been the complete staple of my wardrobe. And then I've got a few dresses like this, but I love linen, and so does Ed, which is an absolute nightmare because even if you iron it, you put it in the wardrobe, then it still sometimes gets creases. So this dress I've already ironed, but I'm just going to go over with the steam cleaner and just show you the difference. So the one I had before was like more of a travel steamer, so I will keep that and put it in my bag for if I'm like going somewhere or if I'm going to a wedding and just need to steam clean. But this is perfect for if you kind of like at home and you've got more items to do. So I'm going to show you the difference on a couple of items, and hopefully you like this content because it's a bit different. It's not paid for, but I do have a little affiliate link which gives me a few pennies if you purchase one, but I genuinely wouldn't share it if I didn't think that a steam cleaner is the thing you need in your life. So it takes, you literally just fill it up from here, it's super easy, and then it literally takes like 30 seconds, 40 seconds to go. You turn it on and then you literally just hold it like this until the creases have steamed out. Now this one I've ironed, but then obviously hung in the wardrobe, and the bottom of it here is like got all funny, and wow, this is making such a difference. So it'll just make it look super crisp and super fresh when you wear everything. And again, like that's just hung like that, but just steaming it. So you literally just press the eco button, or you can do turbo. So again, I'm just going to do it on this one here, which is really creased. I don't know if you can see it very well. So this one, I've been really nerdy, and I've done this side, and you can see it's less creased than this side. How nerdy am I? But it basically takes like a few seconds, and then your top is completely done. So I'm going to go for it again with this side, and again, literally and it's done. So this one here is Ed's linen shirt, which hasn't been previously ironed, so I would probably put this on the turbo one, and it may take a little bit longer, but it is literally ironing out all of the creases. Just make him look a little bit more presentable. When we go out, I'm fully outing Ed now that he doesn't iron his shirts very often. And I think when it goes like really crunchy and creased like this, like you might need to get an iron on it, but this is doing a brilliant job. And if you only had like 3 or 4 minutes and you didn't want to get everything out, or you just want to take this for a few items, it would make such a difference. Let's do this other side. Now hopefully you can see there that this side, which I very quickly steamed in that video, versus the other side which I haven't, it makes a big difference. So there you go. I've still got half a thing of water, so it said 3 garments. I obviously didn't do the backs on all of them, but yeah, highly recommend, and I will link it for you. And like I say, not paid to share this, but it is an affiliate link, which I think is the first affiliate link I've ever done. But if you know me, you'll know handheld steamer is my thing. So there you go.